Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Jarvis pricing. Okay, recently Jarvis has discarded one of their plan from three different plans. Okay, earlier Jarvis were offering three pricing plans. Now they have discarded one, so now there are only two pricing plan. So this video is about that. Okay, in case you don't know Jarvis, then let me tell you briefly about Jarvis first before giving you information about the different pricing plan it has. So Jarvis is an AI content writing tool that uses GPT-3 based technology to generate content on any topic of your choice. You can literally write anything using Jarvis. You can write blog posts, you can write social media posts, social media ad copies, news articles, video scripts, email sales letters, e-commerce product descriptions, and a lot more. Okay, Jarvis offers 50 plus different copywriting templates that you can use to generate different type of content. Jarvis is trained by experienced copywriters and conversion experts who are there in the content industry for over a decade, right? Now let me take you through the Jarvis pricing plan. Okay, so recently they have discarded their one of the plan. Okay, so they if you can see this the screen now, earlier there was a starter plan, there was a pro plan, and there was a boss mode plan. So Jarvis has removed this pro unlimited plan from their pricing, effective from 5th of October 2021. Okay, so now we have only two options. One is starter plan and second one is boss mode plan. Okay, let me take you through Jarvis official website. Okay, the link of the pricing page is given in the description box, so you can click on that link to explore the Jarvis AI pricing. Okay, so this is the Jarvis AI pricing page. Okay, if you can see this, so in monthly tab we see that there is a starter plan and there is a boss mode plan. Starter plan will cost you $29 per month, whereas boss mode plan will cost you $119 per month. Now what you get in starter plan? Okay, for whom starter plan is the best choice? So if you are someone who have the requirement for short form of content, right, like social media ads, or you want to generate creative copies, a very brief summary about anything, then you can go for starter plan. There you get a credit limit of 20,000 words, which means you can generate only 20,000 words content if you go for starter plan. So I recommend, if you are someone who has a requirement for short form of content, then you should go for starter plan, and you should go for annually, as you save $5 per month with the annual plan for the starter plan, right? So if you go for annual plan and you pay for annually, then you can literally save $60, right? Now let's talk about boss mode plan. So boss mode plan gives you access to all the tools available inside the Jarvis dashboard, right? So it gives you unlimited words credit, it gives you access to Jarvis commands, Jarvis recipes, SEO mode, long form assistant. So if you are someone who regularly creates long form content, long how to guides or blog post related to the best product list, or anything that requires unlimited words, so you can go for boss mode plan, right? And here also you should choose annual plan, because in annual plan you are going to save $20 per month, right? So if you pay annually, you are going to save $240, right? The link of this page is given in the description box, so you make sure click on that link and explore the different pricing out there. Okay, and you can choose the plan according to your need. Mm, Both the plans comes with a 7-day money back guarantee from Jarvis. Okay, in case if you are not sure about your decision after purchasing one of the plan, then no need to worry about your money, because they offer 7-day money back guarantee. So it's a risk free purchase. If you are not liking the tool, if you are not happy with the output quality, or any kind of concerns you have, Jarvis also have a very responsive customer support team. So if you have any query, you can just write to them. Hey at jarvis.ai is the email address that I will mention in the description, and you can get answer to your queries within 2 hours, 3 hours, within a day usually I get. So that's something very interesting. So overall, Jarvis is a great AI copywriting tool that I'm personally using for last 6 months, and I recommend the same to everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any query related to Jarvis, you can comment below. Okay, I'll help you solve your queries. Okay, you can like this video and subscribe to this channel for more such a helpful videos. I hope you like this Jarvis AI pricing update. Let me know what is your plan. Let me know which plan you are choosing and why, right? So whether you are choosing starter plan for short form content or boss mode plan for long form of content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.